In this video, I'll show you how to send a Teams meeting invite using Outlook. The process is very simple. First, open your browser and go to the official Microsoft website. Sign in with your Microsoft account. After logging in, open the All Microsoft drop-down menu and select Outlook. You may be asked to sign in again, just choose your account and continue. Once Outlook opens, we need to create a new event. Click on New, and from the options that appear, choose Event. Now give your meeting a title. For example, I'll name it Test. Next, add the people you want to invite by typing their email addresses. Then choose the date and time for your meeting. You can adjust these settings according to your schedule. Since we accessed Outlook through the Microsoft website, you'll notice that the Teams meeting toggle is already turned on automatically. This is why we use the web version, because the desktop Outlook app may not enable Teams integration for some accounts. Now you can add a meeting description, set it as a recurring meeting, or choose a location if needed. After adding your details, simply click Send. Your Teams meeting is now created. To confirm, go to your calendar. You'll see the new event listed there. If you click on it, you can open the drop-down menu and copy the Join link. This is useful if you want to invite more people later. For example, you can go to Mail, compose a new message, enter the recipient's email address, and paste the meeting link. Anyone who clicks the link will be able to join your Teams meeting instantly. And that's it. That's how you can easily send a Teams meeting invite using Outlook. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.